Alright, so I've noticed in the Nightingale Discord a lot of people struggling with the quest to deal heart shots. Headshots are easy. Heart shots, you just have to aim at a different part of the body. To show you here, I'm rocking a common sling bow. I'm using simple rock marbles. There's nothing crazy going on here. There are some boars up here. So I am going to crouch walk so I can sneak up close to them just for accuracy here. And I'm going to place my aimer right here, right above the foreleg. Bam, hard shot. Hard to hit hard shot on these moving targets, especially when they run it at you. So I'm just not even going to try. But you want to aim right around here. So foreleg, up, and over a little bit toward the neck. Okay, so let's go. There are some wolves up here. Let's see if I can hit one on a wolf. Crouch. Patience is key. I'm reloaded. I'm looking at the foreleg. I'm going to come up a little bit. Heart shot. Okay, let's look around, see what else we can find here. This is also very easy to do if you go to the desert realm. Elephas in the herbarium. Okay. Alright, so we're going into an herbarium desert. You can see we are hunting specifically for Elephas. Zone in. Alright, so we have found the Elephas. Yep, so I'm going to aim right here. Heart shot. Now this is a big boy, so he didn't die from the heart shot. I'm going to see if I can't find another Elephas and recreate that. There's one right there. Alright, so they're docile. You don't even got to creep up on these like you do all the other ones. We're just going to wait for them to stop moving. Heart shot. Right above the foreleg.